Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Game Dev. Have you ever thought about creating your own game but do not know where to start? My name is Bato. I'm here to help you to make a 2D platformer with Unity, which is one of the most popular game engines in the world. In this course, you are able to learn everything you need to develop a 2D platformer like Celeste with C# and Unity 2021. For example, learn the C# fundamentals, understand the whole process of game development, from sketch to finish. Learn to use visual scripting with C#. Create sprite sheet and animations. A sample build of WebGL version is provided for you to check out all the elements which are included in this course. After this course, you should be able to create your own 2D platformer in Unity. Join our course and start develop game with us.